She was my little helper today.
Oh yeah.
She wasn't helping very much.
She tried.
She kept stealing my screws, running away with them.
Big time is Kristen. How are you?
What's that?
It's just our
My
friend.
name's on the Spruce film. Oh, really?
Hello.
It's not loud.
Uh-uh.
I'm going to have one white.
Yeah. Pull again. How are you, Coach? She's gonna eat the paper.
Is the water gonna come down?
Yeah, it was. Whoa, what is it?
That's her PJs and robe.
Uh-oh.
I'm not interested in that.
She's like, I can't play with that.
Yeah, it's your toothbrush.
Oh, and her pants. You see the pants they got them for REI? She needs some new PJs because she's outgrowing her old ones.
She's getting tall.
Yeah. Oh, and a cute little robe. It's cute.
Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear.
Which one has a toy in it?
The one in the back.
This one?
Yeah.
What'd you find? Wow, that'll be great for your kitchen.
Tacos.
Tacos. Mommy and Daddy love
No, look at that.
tacos.
Holy cow. So does Peppy.
How did you get into this thing?
Need scissors.
This will be awesome for your new kitchen. Hot sauce for Daddy.
Hey.
Probably should have inventoried this stuff before I opened it.
What you got there? Corn on the cob, and a lettuce leaf. All for you. Learn how to cook now.
I used to love this kind of stuff when I was a kid.
I have a kitchen now. Personal safety.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
In the box.
Did you see the picture I sent you of her sitting in her toy box?
In a plastic bin.
Yeah, that's where I put all of her old toys that I was putting away. She got in and started playing with them. Oh God. Oh, a cutting board.
What'd you cook this morning in your kitchen? What'd you cook? Huh?
You
Oh God.
got a lot of good stuff in there. Yeah.
goodness.
You gonna fry a taco? Taco! Thank you. That was delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. So yummy.
Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. Grandma num num Sue,
Grandma
yeah.
have num nums?
Yum, yum.
Daddy doesn't get any. He's too far away. Oh, you gotta come get it, Daddy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
She's trying to scrape the pie.
Yeah.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. Good food, huh? Yeah.
You ready for another toy? Yay! Over here. Yeah, good
Hey,
job.
way to go. You don't mess around with that, huh?
She's getting the hang of this.
She's gonna wonder what happened when it all stopped later on. She's got another round to go when Stephen Susan comes in.
Yeah.
3 rounds.
Ooh, what is that?
Oh, the book. Some sort of book.
It's some sort of musical book.
Yeah.
Let's explore, touch anything. Drums. Teacher, I work in a school. Let's sing a song. The people in your neighborhood ready to help you out. Saying hello with a friendly smile. Come on, let's meet them now.
Let me see it, Tanya.
Baker. Well, hello. The baker makes dough, cooks it in the oven. Breads, cakes, and pies, and cookies by the dozen.
Thank you.
Let's explore, touch anything you see. Let's explore, touch firefighter. I work in a fire station. Let's explore, touch anything you see.
Took that.
That's the only thing that's playing.
Explore, touch anything you see.
Yes,
You see.
it is a burrito.
And the burrito, yeah.
There's the lid for the pot. Yay.
Good job.
Good job. Yeah.
Now you can make some rice. Let's take this out here. Yum,
Num num. What you got there? What is that? That's a taco shell, or what do you call those shells?
Actually, it looks like like peas and carrots.
No, it's, yeah, upside down like shit.
Yeah, it did.
No purpose, huh?
There's another pot.
Yeah. Abby's not leaving. Abby, come over here and get a picture. Yeah.
How did you ever, when we were kids, how did you ever get all of our toys out and build bikes and stuff like that without waking us up? Because I was making a whole bunch of racket last night. Look, it's got 2 hidden pages. Oops, I turned it off.
Let's explore. Touch anything you see. Let's play. Find a red flag. Let's chirping birds, barking dogs. Touch to hear the sound. Anything you see.
Good job.
Let's sing a song. Listen to the neighborhood of the music around. Chirping birds, barking dogs. Touch, hear the sound.
Don't take that.
Anything you see.
That's not your toy, that's Mommy's toy.
That's Mommy's toy, yeah.
That's still Mommy's toy. Oh, Mommy's keys.
Let's explore. Touch anything you see.
Look, you got more packages. More
Start
stuff.
the car.
She started the car.
Oh.
Give this to Daddy.
Car's gonna take
You
off.
going somewhere?
Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Yeah, good job.
Let's give you one of my Kellogg's bags.
Oh, yeah.
You're a busybody, huh? Yeah.
Good job helping.
Good job.
In there.
41 pieces, wow.
That ought to keep you looking for them.
Yeah. Plus all the ones that I got, too.
Yeah.
We haven't opened those yet.
What are you gonna cook? What's this? This is some lettuce. And this is a pepper. This is a piece of cheese. Cheese.
Let's explore. Touch anything you see. Cookies. Yummy.
Cookies.
Yummy.
Yay. Yummy.
Let's explore. Touch anything you see.
If you're getting too old, I'm just wondering how I'm gonna get up out of here. You're gonna eat. Oh look, you're having breakfast. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Let's explore. anything you see.
Kristen's having breakfast. Look at that. Yeah.
Kristen. Cheese. Yeah. And open up another one. Taylor brought a whole bunch of stuff.
No.
Yes, he did.
Santa Nana.
I follow on Twitter this person who's created an account called Miserable Parent.
Yeah.
And it's basically just all the, staying up late, and
Yeah.
the cost of formula and stuff like that.
Right. Yeah.
One of the things was, I told my kids early on that Santa didn't exist. You think I'm going to let some fat guy in a beard take all the credit?
Hey, Kristen. Uh-oh, Kristen sees the camera. Huh, you go feed Pappy? Ooh.
Okay, you want to open? Yum, yum, yum. Feed Daddy again. I didn't get that picture. Give Daddy a bite. Give Daddy some yum yums.
Yum yum for Daddy. Yeah, yum yum for Pappy. Yum 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 yum. Yeah. Whoop. Grandma Mr. Yum Yum.
Couldn't take that picture.
What are we having?
Whatever it is, it's delicious.
Must be good though, huh? Yeah. Whoop.
What's in this one?
I think that's close.
We'll do those last. These clothes. Yeah. What's in this one?
Oh, that's a bathrobe thing.
Let's see, I'll mix. Kristen.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's in that one?
Here.
Little baby.
Joe.
Look in there. What's that?
Who is that?
Hey, Elmo. Whoops. Pappy let the cat out of the bag. Yeah.
Oh.
Elmo. Yeah. Yeah, Elmo.
Come here, there's more stuff.
She just saw the Elmo.
Yeah.
Oh, Elmo DVDs.
Yeah, Elmo.
Oh, yeah.
You trade? I got Elmo. Yeah, Elmo.
You see this there? This sandwich cutter?
There's Elmo. Oh, there's Elmo.
She really likes these kitchen things.
Yeah.
He does, yeah.
You gonna eat that box of tacos? Thank you. This is a fajita dinner kit. That sounds good, actually. I think Daddy and I will have this. Mmm.
That does sound good.
Can you cook it for me and Daddy on Wednesday?
Thank you. Sweet baby.
Nah.
Babacito?
You speaking Spanish already? We just got you a taco kit.
Not too enthralled with that
Thank you.
Elmo.
Thank you.
Elmo. You want to see
See
Elmo?
Elmo?
Yeah, she's making sentences.
What'd you find?
That's a stocking.
You probably need to eat breakfast, don't you?
She ain't had
Didn't
breakfast
have
yet?
breakfast yet?
She had some milk.
Got some waffles in the freezer out
You have those little mini pancakes?
there. Yeah, mini pancakes.
Bye
Yeah, bye-bye.
bye. Oops.
Ooh, she banged her beaner? Oh, my.
Oh. Okay, baby.
Kristen.
What happened?
Bye bye.
She walked into the wall. Oh,
Takes after Pappy. Yeah.
you faker. You faker.
I heard her clunk.
Yeah, it was right on the edge. You didn't eat your pancakes.
Eat your pancakes first. Pancakes first. Let's go.
You got more presents to open.
Pancakes first.
Pappy have a pancake?
Take some stuff home.
Yeah.
How you gonna get all this? That's what we did. We took both, all the other chairs. Just 4 chairs: a pink one, a green one, a yellow one, and a pink one.
Oh, okay.
It's all the pancakes, huh?
Kristen, come here.
Should have put 2 chairs together, huh?
Come here.
Kristen.
Come here.
Let's finish your pancakes. Give me your.
You want Pappy to get up?
Look at her.
Mm-hmm.
Now your pancakes are cold.
You want Pappy to get up? Look at her pushing on me.
You're in her chair. Here, you want to sit over here? What? Want your baby? No, get rid of your...
Here. Have a pancake.
Yeah. You feel the air coming out of there? Yeah. Boom. Oh yeah, Pappy, go somewhere, huh? Off we go. Oh, Pappy stepped on your pancake.
How'd you do that?
Pappy stepped on your pancake.
Baby.
Apple?
You want an apple? Okay, a second. There's an apple. I'm gonna get you an apple in a second, okay?
Grandma's working on pancake now or something. What is that? Yeah.
Come here, you want this apple?
You want the rest of your presents or what?
Apple.
You gonna eat the whole thing like that?
Let me tear it apart for you. Oh, she knows how to do that. Good job.
Good job. Yeah.
She put one down. What?
Here, you want to put them in your bowl? Put them in your bowl? Here. Take them apart and put them in your bowl. There you go. See, here. The rest of it.
Calvin Johnson, move over, Jerry Rice. And with that, Megatron now has the record most receiving yards in a season.
Papacito.
Not over here.
Papacito.
And five going after 2,000 this weekend as the Lions take on the Bears. Coming up, what do you get the man who has every a run at the MVP? Well, we'll turn to Stafford. And the Harper for all the descriptions next. Harper. 2013 Pro Bowl rosters. Tune in and see if
What are you eating, Kristen?
players are headed for Hawaii.
What are you eating?
Total Access Pro Bowl
Apple?
selection show tomorrow at 7 on NFL.
It's actually an orange.
Good morning, game day.
We'll explain that to you later.
Morning, game day. Good morning, fans. From us to you. Now let's get in position.
Are you gonna squeeze it between your hands? And then make Pappy eat
Put
it?
put it in your bowl. Is it in your mouth? Whoops! Peppy dropped it. No, he didn't. He did. Yeah.
It's cooked.
Where? Are we pandering to you, huh?
You need to eat your pancakes.
What have you got?
Down, Patsy.
Where's your bowl? You got your apple in your bowl.
I don't see apple. You don't see apple?
Here's more apple. Here. Here's some more apple. Where's your bowl? Yeah. Where's your bowl? There it is. Where's your bowl?
You need to put another drawer down there for it. You want it?
She knows where he keeps the apples.
Yeah.
Put it in here.
No?
Here, get it out. There's your apple. Think of 18 months, 16 months old, huh?
Here. Peppy, hold your apple. Yeah. It's an orange. It's really an orange. Yeah. Hmm.
Apple.
Yeah. Apple orange, huh? Yeah. You can eat that too. Peppy eats those.
I'm finally stepping on the door of the house.
I know. I know.
Yeah, yeah,
I
you.
know.
Yeah,
A Bobby.
yeah. Is it orange? Can you say orange? Yeah.
Call now to get the new coffee
Mama.
easier to use. Ariba makes it simple. They deliver it there directly. There are no upfront costs. And they deliver your supplies right to your door.
For more information, call 1-800-966-0887.
You get oranges everywhere, huh? Yeah. That's a good place to put that mask when you do that. Yeah. Yeah, you got that pretty well cleaned out.
Wishing everyone out there a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hey, what's up? It's Scott Lewis, contact for San Francisco 49ers, and I'm wishing all of you Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays once again here on SLAM. Thanks for joining us this Christmas morning. Time now to hand out some holiday gifts with Eric, Mark, and Steve playing the role of Santa's helpers. Someone maybe playing the role of Grinch. I don't want to say who.
I thought I was Chris Kringle.
All I heard was we were a little too happy this morning. Okay, this first gift is for
Fried eggs on the egg muffins. Or do you want scrambled eggs with cheese?
a nice cozy setting out here with the fireplace.
I would prefer fried egg. Eric, what would you rather have, fried or scrambled? Or either.
Scramble's fine.
Scrambled?
Either way.
Scramble.
That's probably a good idea. Oh. Plus it's easier to make scrambled eggs.
And I thought too that you didn't want to put them on English muffin and then separate.
Yeah. You got the bacon on the griddle? Oh.
Let Peppy use it? Whoops. What'd you do there? Peppy don't know how to get out of this.
We ran out last time.
Yeah. Look at that ham. Of this already sliced.
Here you go. A certificate, AT, surgical, teeth, get yourself healthy. Come on, will you get a full
Oh, you missed it. Put that back in the bowl.
But I mean, my goodness gracious, purple season.
I guess.
Do it for the Raiders, do it for Mark, do it for the memory of Alex. Do it for yourself, kid. Come on.
Last.
But it'll be too late. That was awfully nice, Steve.
See what last does back. Oh. So go here. Oh, last is exit now. Here we go. Did you get that email I sent you?
Yeah, I got it. Come on. Thank you.
Is that something she did? Oh, she did that. Look at that. Wow. Or did you do that?
No, no. Oh, she did that.
Oh, yeah? She found the buttons to push. There we go.
Where'd he go?
Where'd the dogs go?
Where'd they go? There's Toby and Timmy.
Where's the rest of them, huh?
Hey! Merry
Oh.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
You know there's presents.
Merry Christmas.
Did Kristen have presents? What is that?
Did you say I'm in heat?
I'm what?
I think you said I'm in heat.
That's
Do you think
That's what it sounded like. That's what it sounded
What
like.
Oh man, see that's hers.
Uh-oh, somebody's got Kristen's elbow.
You'll have to edit that out.
I thought you had better thing. Wait, baby. Kobe.
Oh Lord, she's got the leash already.
That's what she's screaming in here for.
Give me the elbow.
Well,
Don't let me forget this.
Okay.
Toby.
We won't be getting it until about 5.
Elmo. Hold on, baby. I thought, have a leash that's better for you. Yeah.
Hey, you found Elmo.
I don't think it's in here.
Look who found Elmo.
That's not his, I bet.
You found Elmo.
The only one in the whole world I could find.
Here. Get Elmo from him. This is your Elmo. Come on, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Come here. Kristen, I thought
She's
you had
focused on
better
the
leash.
dog leash.
Here, baby. Can we trade? Look. That's Toby. You don't want Toby? No? I thought you were taking him for a walk.
It's gotta be the same old leash.
It's gonna be that leash.
Baby, look, it's easier. Look. Take him for a leash. Look. You're being a... Oh. Look.
My way or the highway.
That's what she's used to.
Come on, Toby.
Here's your slow cooker.
Come on, Toby.
Huh? Oh.
Slow cooker.
Come on. Yeah. Use that one. That didn't go over well, did it?
Sheila,
She was like the...
Yeah, I think you got
she's fixed on that
Him, Elmo.
stretchy one.
Him. I think it's because our neighbors have a leash like that too. Oh. She grabs that leash and walks their dog. So she's used to it.
Checking her Elmo. Yeah. Yeah. Don't let the dog have Elmo.
Elmo back and take this.
Yeah, she's got Elmo.
That or you and Kristen.
That's an old horse. I mean.
That or you and Kristen can trade.
Well, yeah, Pepe has Elmo. Pepe's got Elmo.
Elmo? What you doing, baby?
Toby and Timmy have their stockings out there on the railing.
I think they went upstairs with Steve. Did they go upstairs? Yeah. Yeah. What'd you get for Christmas? Did you get a horse?
opened up all the gifts yet.
Come here. Is this a horse? Did you get this, Kristen? What is this? Get on here. Can I see? Toby. Get on here, baby. Can I see you ride it? You get on? Come on. Look at you. Is that fun?
Hang on.
Woo! Whee! The dogs are into it.
They are.
Yeah! Want me to read to you? Was that Elmo? Have yourself a very little Christmas. Elmo. Elmo. Look, is that Grover? Grover? Elmo. dog.